Welcome back to Code 2 Car, the place where we dive deep into the most exciting machines the automotive world has to offer. And today, we've got something truly legendary, a car that has redefined what hypercars can be. We are talking about the 2026 Bugatti Chiron in a stunning silver finish. This isn't just a car, it's a statement of engineering dominance, luxury, and design excellence. So sit back, relax, and join me as we explore every single detail of this incredible machine in this extended walk-around and review. At first glance, the 2026 Chiron takes your breath away. Finished in a flawless silver coat, the paint seems to glow under the light. Bugatti has always mastered the art of combining elegance with aggression, and the Chiron showcases that balance perfectly. The sculpted curves flow seamlessly from the iconic horseshoe grille at the front to the wide, muscular rear. Every line and crease isn't just about looking beautiful, it's about performance and aerodynamics. Let's take a closer look at the front. The grille is unmistakably Bugatti, but sharper and more modern than before. The headlights are slim, futuristic, and feature advanced LED laser technology that not only looks incredible but also provides unmatched visibility. Just standing in front of this car, you feel the presence, it's as if it's ready to pounce at any moment. The front splitter is crafted with exposed carbon fiber, and if you lean in closer, you'll notice the intricate detailing that channels air perfectly to keep this beast planted to the ground. Moving to the side profile, the silver Chiron shines with a timeless silhouette. The signature C-shaped design line, which sweeps from the roof down to the doors, has been refined further for 2026. It's more aerodynamic, sharper, and it emphasizes the flowing nature of the car. The doors themselves are sculpted works of art. And then there are the wheels, massive, lightweight alloys with a turbine-inspired design, finished in black and polished metal accents that perfectly contrast the silver body. Wrapped in specially engineered Michelin Pilot Cup 2 tires, they're not just for show, they're built to handle speeds most cars will never even dream of reaching. At the back, the Chiron is simply breathtaking. The taillight is a full-width LED strip, glowing like a futuristic signature at night. The quad exhaust system sits proudly at the bottom, framed in carbon fiber with an aggressive diffuser. And then, there's the active rear wing, which adjusts depending on your speed and driving mode. At high speeds, it provides incredible downforce, but it can also act as an air brake to help stop this rocket when needed. Watching the wing deploy is almost as mesmerizing as the car itself. Of course, the heart of the Chiron lies beneath that rear glass cover. The 2026 model continues to use Bugatti's legendary 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine, but with refinements that push it beyond belief. We're talking about over 1,600 horsepower, capable of rocketing from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.3 seconds. And the top speed? Electronically limited for road use, but in controlled conditions, this car is capable of exceeding 270 miles per hour. The sound of the W16 firing up is something you'll never forget, a deep, thunderous growl that transforms into a high-pitched scream as the turbos spool up. It's the kind of sound that gives you chills. Inside the cabin, the Chiron is every bit as special as the outside. Open the door, and you're greeted with an interior that blends luxury with futuristic design. The silver theme continues here with aluminum accents on the dashboard and center console, contrasted with soft leather and Alcantara in shades of black and gray. The craftsmanship is absolutely second to none. Bugatti doesn't just build interiors, they create art. The stitching is precise, the leather feels buttery soft, and every control has a weight and finish that screams quality. Sitting in the driver's seat, you immediately notice the minimalist yet driver-focused design. The steering wheel is compact, with Bugatti's emblem proudly displayed at the center, and it feels solid in your hands. Behind it, you get a fully digital instrument cluster, but with a layout that changes depending on your driving mode. In comfort, it keeps things simple, but in sport or track mode, it transforms into a performance-focused display showing speed, revs, and essential data. The center console is slim and elegant, with beautifully machined switches and knobs that feel like they belong in a luxury watch rather than a car. Of course, everything is finished in aluminum, leather, and carbon fiber. The seats are sculpted to hold you in place when cornering hard, yet comfortable enough for long drives. And yes, this car is practical enough for grand touring. Bugatti made sure it's not just a track monster but a car you can actually take on a road trip. One of the most incredible aspects of the Chiron is how it balances performance with usability. Sure, it can demolish records at high speed, but you can also drive it calmly through city streets, and it feels composed and comfortable. That's the magic of Bugatti. They've engineered a hypercar that doesn't punish you for driving it normally. Driving modes allow you to tailor the Chiron's character. In EB mode, it's refined and relaxed, perfect for cruising. Switch to Autobahn mode, and it sharpens up, giving you access to more of that immense power. Then there's handling mode, designed for corners and track use, where the suspension stiffens, the wing adjusts, and the car becomes razor sharp. Finally, the top speed mode, which requires a special key, unleashes the full potential of this machine. It's a ritual in itself, and it makes you feel like you're preparing a jet for takeoff. The 2026 Chiron isn't just about performance, it's also about technology. The onboard systems are state-of-the-art, with improved driver assistance, a beautifully integrated infotainment screen, and connectivity features that make long journeys easy. But Bugatti kept the interface clean. It doesn't overwhelm you with tech like some modern cars. Instead, it gives you only what you need, in the most elegant way possible. Everywhere you look in this car, you find small details that remind you this is something extraordinary. The Bugatti emblem etched into the seats, the polished aluminum air vents shaped like diamonds, the way the gear selector clicks into place, it all feels special. This is not a car built in the thousands, it's a handcrafted masterpiece, reserved for the few who can afford it. On the road, the Chiron feels like nothing else. The acceleration is brutal, pinning you to the seat, yet it's delivered so smoothly thanks to the 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. The steering is sharp, precise, and gives you confidence even at insane speeds. And then there's the braking. Thanks to massive carbon ceramic brakes and that deployable wing, this car can stop just as fast as it accelerates. But beyond the numbers, beyond the engineering, the Bugatti Chiron has an aura that few cars can match. Park it anywhere, and people gather around. Everyone knows they're looking at something rare, something iconic. The silver finish makes it look even more timeless, like a piece of jewelry sculpted at an impossibly large scale. The 2026 Bugatti Chiron in silver isn't just a car, it's a celebration of what's possible when engineering, art, and passion come together. It's a car that redefines the limits of performance while surrounding you in absolute luxury. It's the kind of machine that will be remembered not just as a vehicle, but as a symbol of human achievement in the world of automotive design. So, that wraps up our in-depth 25-minute look at the Bugatti Chiron 2026 Silver Edition. I hope you enjoyed walking around this masterpiece with me. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Code 2 Car for more deep dives into the world's most incredible cars, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, this is Code 2 Car, and I'll see you in the next one.